The search for immortality has preoccupied humans for centuries. From ancient myths to modern science fiction, the dream of living forever or drastically extending our lifespan continues to captivate our imaginations. In recent years, advances in technology and our understanding of biology have brought us closer than ever before to the prospect of extending human life. But what if the key to immortality lies not in futuristic medical technology, but in an unexpected source? What if the secret to eternal life is hidden within the very creatures we have long considered to be simple sea creatures? Get ready for an incredible journey as we explore the fascinating story of a 140-year-old lobster that could rewrite human aging. Meet Brian Johnson, a young tech entrepreneur whose obsession with living forever has led him to invest $2 million of his own money into researching ways to extend human life. At just 45 years old, he already has the heart of a 37-year-old, ages slower than the average 10-year-old, and takes more than 100 pills a day to keep his body running like a well-oiled machine. But his extreme methods don't stop there. He carefully monitors his own health data, has laser treatments to remove any signs of aging, and even undergoes regular blood plasma transfusions from teenagers, including his own son. And while these measures may sound extreme, they are part of Johnson's larger mission to push the boundaries of human longevity and discover the secrets to living forever. Through his company, he is on the hunt for breakthroughs that could add decades to our lifespan and help us live healthier, more fulfilling lives. Enter George, a 140-year-old lobster who has been living at the New England Aquarium for over 30 years. For most of us, reaching the age of 140 is simply unimaginable. But for George, it's just another day in the life of a sea creature who has seen it all. Despite his advanced age, George shows no signs of slowing down. He remains active and engaged with his surroundings, always on the lookout for food or a chance to explore. His remarkable lifespan has made him a local celebrity of sorts, drawing visitors from around the world who come to marvel at the ancient crustacean and learn about his unique story. But George's story is more than just a curiosity. It holds valuable lessons for those of us who are still figuring out the mysteries of aging and longevity. By studying creatures like George, scientists hope to unlock the secrets to extending human life and improving our quality of life as we age. As we continue to explore the fascinating world of aging and longevity, one thing is clear: George the lobster is not just a quirky sea creature. He's a living legend who has captured the hearts and minds of people all over the world. Brian Johnson is a man on a mission. The wealthy tech entrepreneur is obsessed with one thing: living forever. He has invested $2 million of his own money into a project called Project Blueprint, which aims to discover ways to dramatically extend human life. But Johnson's quest for immortality goes beyond simply pouring money into research. He is taking extreme measures to ensure that he lives as long as possible. Every aspect of his life is meticulously planned out, from the food he eats to the laser treatments he undergoes to remove any signs of aging. Even his diet is carefully controlled, consuming only 1,900 calories per day to keep his metabolism low and extend his lifespan. But Johnson's most controversial and extreme measure is his regular blood plasma transfusions from young people, a practice that some experts say could actually be dangerous and ineffective. Nevertheless, Johnson is undeterred and continues to pursue every avenue for extending human life, no matter how radical the idea may seem. With the help of his company, Johnson is working tirelessly to find new ways to add decades to our lifespan and improve our quality of life as we age. But whether or not his extreme methods are part of the solution or simply a sign of a man obsessed with living forever remains to be seen. As Brian Johnson delves deeper into the world of anti-aging and life extension technologies, he finds himself facing a new and unexpected challenge. Enter George the lobster, a seemingly ordinary creature that holds the key to unlocking the secrets of longevity. Johnson and his team soon realize that the answers they seek may lie not in advanced medical technology but in nature itself. But as they delve deeper into the study of George and other similar creatures, they uncover a whole new set of questions and ethical dilemmas. How far are they willing to go to unlock the secrets of eternal life? And what are the potential consequences of playing God and tampering with the natural order of things? But Johnson isn't the only one intrigued by George. Scientists from around the world are also setting their sights on the ancient lobster and his fellow centenarians in an attempt to understand the secrets of their remarkable lifespan. As researchers race to uncover the answers, They must confront the ethical implications of their work and the potential impact it could have on our understanding of life itself. In their quest to unravel the mysteries of George's longevity, Johnson and his team turn to an unlikely source of help: a group of marine biologists who have been studying the lobster species for years. Led by a brilliant but eccentric professor, the team, initially reluctant to get involved in Johnson's radical project, soon finds themselves intrigued by the possibility of using their research to help unlock the secrets of eternal life. As the two groups work together, they begin to uncover surprising similarities between lobsters and humans, leading to a groundbreaking discovery that could change everything. Meanwhile, Johnson's obsession with immortality begins to take a toll on his personal life. His extreme measures to extend his own lifespan are causing strain in his relationships and putting a burden on his family. As the pressure mounts, Johnson must decide whether his quest for eternal life is worth sacrificing his humanity and the bonds that make him truly alive. But as Johnson and his team delve deeper into the world of marine biology and the secrets of lobster longevity, they uncover a shocking truth that could change everything. Lobsters, it turns out, are not just long-lived, they are biologically immortal. Unlike humans and other creatures, lobsters do not age. They do not die of old age. They can keep growing and living indefinitely. This discovery sends shockwaves throughout the scientific community and captures the attention of the media. Suddenly, Johnson and his team are thrust into the spotlight, and they must navigate the complexities of fame and fortune while trying to keep their research on track. But not everyone is happy about the discovery. A group of bioethics experts emerges to warn about the dangers of playing God and the potential consequences of creating immortal humans. They argue that extending human life indefinitely could have catastrophic consequences for society and the planet, and urge caution and restraint. As the debate rages on, Johnson and his team must decide how to proceed. Do they continue their research and risk the wrath of the bioethics community, or do they walk away and abandon their dream of creating a world where people can live forever? But as the team celebrates their success, they know that the fight for immortality is far from over. There are still many obstacles to overcome and many critics who oppose their work, yet they are undeterred and continue their research, driven by the belief that eternal life is within reach. In the end, George the Lobster's story is one of survival, resilience, and the power of nature to amaze and inspire us. His remarkable lifespan has captured the imaginations of people around the world, and his story serves as a reminder of the importance of protecting and preserving our planet's biodiversity. Whether we can unlock the secrets of eternal life remains to be seen. But one thing is certain: George the Lobster will continue to amaze and inspire us for generations to come. So what do you think? Is immortality possible? And if so, should we be trying to achieve it? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing stories. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.